Hi, everyone. My name is Grace Huang, and I'm a geomechanics product manager at RocScience for the product RocFall3. Today, I will show you how to crop slope surfaces within this program. The geometry you obtain from field scans may be very large in extent, whereas you may only be interested in a very small area for a detailed sensitivity study or for a design section. I will show you how you can use the built-in geometry tools within RocFall3 to crop the slope surface. So here I have a slope surface model that's kilometers in extent, and I want to crop out just a small section of it. First thing is make sure the slope surface has not been set as a slope surface used for calculations. So to check, select the surface from the visibility tree, go to geometry, and make sure that clear the slope surface if it has been set as the calculation surface. The second step is to draw a polyline, either to divide the surface or a polygon to carve out the small section. So let's go to geometry, draw polyline. And this is best done from the top view. So I'm just going to click through, left click, to delineate my section of interest. We would close this polyline for the polygon. And when done drawing, make sure to click done to exit the drawing mode. Now, this polyline is currently on the slope surface. I'm going to shift it down a little bit and then extrude it to form a plane that fully intersects the slope surface. So I'm going to select the polyline, go to edit, and I'm going to just shift the Z values. So now you see that this polygon is below the slope surface, and I'm going to extrude it. So geometry, extrude, sweep loft tools, extrude. I'm going to do this in the positive Z direction. Preview to make sure my surface is fully intersecting slope surface. This is good. Click OK. All right. So now we have two surfaces. The next step is that we want to merge these two surfaces to form one surface which has an intersection around the polygon. So that intersection is a non-manifold. And we can ungroup this one surface at the non-manifold to get the section of interest. So I'm going to select both surfaces. You can hold down Shift to multi-select, merge them. So geometry, surface triangulation tools, merge. And for the merged surface, geometry, surface triangulation tools, and then ungroup non-manifold. So you can see that several new surfaces have appeared in the visibility tree. This is the piece that we want to keep. We're going to select everything else, set the rule to construction, go to geometry, and then discard the selected construction geometry. So now that we're left with the cropped surface, we can use it for calculations. So go to geometry, and then last step, set slope surface. This concludes the short tutorial on surface cropping. Please feel free to leave any comments or questions you may have in the geometry tools within RocFall3.